Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that fun token. Now we could start the video. Let's say when you disclaimer, this video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the testing. According to the website, HFUN was deployed as part of a test for Hypurr Fun Telegram bot. The max supply of HFUN is 1 million. 30% of HFUN was distributed to PURR holders, 30% to the creators of the token, and 40% to Hypurr liquidity. Hypurr Fun project ensures at least 2.6 Hypurr Fun token total supply is 997,000 and circulating supplies so 997,000 Hypurr Fun token. Hypurr Fun token is listed on Hypurr Liquid, CoinEx and other exchanges. If I share my UP with you, then this project up to 65% chance that it is a visit project. So guys, to take my opinion, reference advice, do you on such by investing coaching.